Hi, so what I got this time for a keyboard that I got on TikTok, TT shop, is a C75 cake keyboard. Not the full size. Got the box here. Then I got the protector here, protector case. Got stickers. Got the booklet instruction. Got this card that you can give to people. And then got this as well. In different languages to let you know how to make stuff, to work with your keyboard. And then I also got this cupcake cat mouse pad. Then I got the Type-C cable. And then I got here, hold on, the cat grabber. Then gave me some keycaps. And then here is this stand with the mouse, with the USB dongle. So the dongle is like a fish, shaped like a fish. Where is it? Oh, yep. And then got here's that look like. This was where it was at. And then these are like the side of the cake. Whipping cream, frosting, whatever, with hearts. And then here is where the USB dongle, USB cord, Type-C cord go in there. And then here is Bluetooth side, and then this is this is Bluetooth side, and then this one is this is Bluetooth, dongle side, Bluetooth side, this side, this side, and then the middle is the USB dongle, USB-C cord. So, and I'm using the dongle, and then here's the colors that you can see on the side, all the way to the side, and then this is the colors. It's triple mode, so yeah. There's solid ones, color, RGB lights. So, and here is the typing test. This is the candy switches that I bought. My other Yunzii was a cocoa switches. So the next Yunzii keyboard that I get will be milk switches. It's very nice to type on these one with the sound of the candy switches. Would I say I like this one better or the cocoa switches? I think I like the cocoa switches, but next maybe the milk switches. I'll see about that so I can see which one I like. But I'll do it typing again so you don't have to hear me. Then here you can lower it without no likes, and then you tap Control Delete, and then there's no likes, no R&B likes. So I don't want to use the likes on this because I don't want to charge it. So it won't go down, battery go down fast. So that's how I don't charge it. So that is all of this. Thank you for watching.